Verse of the day. Let's listen. Look at the birds of the air, for they neither sow nor reap nor gather into barns, yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not of more value than they? Worry can quietly take over our minds, especially when we feel uncertain about tomorrow. But Matthew 6:26 stops us in our tracks and says, "Look up. Look at the birds. They don't plan, store, or stress, yet God takes care of them. And if He's watching over the smallest sparrow, how much more is He watching over you?"